Hey guys, I am back another speed test. In this video I am doing the speed test comparison between the Samsung Galaxy C5 Pro versus the Samsung best phone of 2013 is the S4. Let's quickly boot both of these phones up at the same time. 3, 2, 1, go. Logo came first on the C5 Pro, but who is the ultimate winner? So 4 GB RAM on the C5 Pro versus 2 GB RAM on the S4. Snapdragon 600 versus Snapdragon 625, and you can see C5 Pro is faster, not a huge faster, but C5 Pro is faster. Zoom in out. Let's start with some basic stuff. First we have the phone dialer. 3, 2, 1, go. And C5 Pro is faster. Let's open calculator. 3, 2, 1, go. And C5 Pro is again faster. Let's open Samsung Music. 3, 2, 1, go. And C5 Pro is again faster. Let's launch some game applications. 3, 2, 1, go. Subway Surfer. And you can see C5 Pro is faster, and huge faster on the C5 Pro because it is the difference about 4 seconds. Next game is the Candy Crush. 3, 2, 1, go. And you can see C5 Pro is again faster. Not open the S4, so let's launch again. And C5 Pro is a huge faster compared to S4. So and it is also done. Let's launch. Last opening up the camera app. Three, two, one, go. And the C5 2017 faster. So let's launch. Let's open Wi-Fi on both phones, same Wi-Fi network. And you can see Wi-Fi also. Let's open internet browser and launch website. So let's open yahoo.com. Three, two, one, go. And zoom in out. I think the S4 is faster because no, and let's see, and the S4 is faster. Let's open again and launch one more website. So now and you can see absolutely smooth. Let's open another website, wikipedia.org. 3 2 1 go, and let's see, and you can see, oops, let's launch again. And you can see C5 Pro is faster, followed by the S4. Let's see the RAM management, because 4 GB RAM on the C5 Pro versus 2 GB RAM on the S4. So let's see. Phone dialer still there in the memory. Let's open calculator, and no refresh on the S4. Let's open Samsung Music, and I think the C5 Pro is refresh one app and S4 is not refresh. Let's open game. So Subway Surfer is also kept there in the memory. Let's open game. It is also kept there in the memory. Let's open the internet browser, and overall I have to say both phones are really fast. RAM management on the C5 Pro is huge best, while the S4 is also refresh the app. And thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Do you like my video? Please like and share and subscribe my channel for other tech videos, and see you guys in the next one. Peace out.